Enabling two-factor authentication on your Revolut account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the More tab at the bottom right corner of the screen to access the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Security. In the Settings menu, find and select the Security option. This section contains all the security features available for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Toggle the switch to enable it. You may be prompted to enter your password for verification. Step 5. Choose your 2FA method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as SMS or an authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once you have completed these steps, your Revolut account will be more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure.